Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix snipping tool is not working on Windows 11, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So if you try to run snipping tool and if you click on it and it do not appear, first of all go to task manager and look if there is a task of snipping tool. So type in here snipping tool, then you just need to, if it's not appearing on your computer, you just need to right click and task and try again and look if it opens or not. If it's not opening, then you just need to go and search, look for snipping tool, right click on it, app settings. Then you need to look for, as you can see here, reset, press repair, wait for a couple of seconds, and then press reset. And then again, after reset is done, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to write sfc /scan now and wait until scanning process is done. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing what I suggest to do here is to go to snipping tool, right click on it and install. And after you uninstall it, go to Microsoft Store, look for snipping tool, and install it again. And yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.